think all the enthusiasts out there who love analog, manual cars will love the 996. Or particularly maybe the Werk96, because we redefined every aspect technically and emotionally for the car. The 996 has so many talents, and for me it's the truly hidden champion of all sports cars. It's so analog, it's so pure. I never ever need another sports car, only the 996. Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today it's not only another day in paradise, it's the best day in paradise because Chassis 001 is finally completed. The whole team, all supporters are so proud of the project, and what you can see behind of me is our first big project, Chassis 001. The spec is amazing. We did everything on the car, a complete new paint job. We have our own suspension, the big brake, the 4.3 liter engine, the short shifter. We had the transmission completely rebuilt. We have a shorter gear ratio, a long 6th gear, the beautiful interior with our Recaro sport seats. So it's a symphony of a 996 Carrera 2, and we are so proud of it. And just have a look on this beautiful car. We have right now 8 months of intense work on the car. It was a basic 996.2 Carrera, manual, beige interior in stock conditions. The first step was we stripped the whole car down to the bare chassis. After a quick checkup at tech speed, everything was fine. The next stop for the car was the dry ice cleaning. We were really happy that the car had not too much rust underneath, and it was a good buy for our customer. After the dry ice cleaning, we moved straight to the paint shop of Chris Brigovic with the car. It was fascinating to be part of this journey. The plan was only to paint the car completely new black. But we found so many small imperfections. The guys there did a really perfect job to bring the car in the perfect condition again. In the meantime, we took our transmission to our specialist Michael Wiedmann, and he renewed all the old parts. We installed our own house development, the shorter gear ratio and the long 6th gear, and now we have a technically perfect transmission for the Chassis 001. Once the paint job was done, we took the car back to tech speed and we started our assembly process. We installed our big brake kit, the front axle, the rear axle, steel brake lines, and all the technique underneath the car. And also we installed our amazing 4.3 liter revs to 8,000 RPM engine into the car. Now the car is up and running, and the next step is the interior. The guys of Leather Manufactory put a lot of effort into it and did a beautiful job. The result is absolutely amazing. The last stop of the journey of Chassis 001 was my personal favorite of the whole car. Our benchmark suspension for the 996. We developed it in 4 years in cooperation with KW and PEMAG. It transformed the car to a complete new level. I get asked so often, why the 996? So I have to go back maybe for 20 years. I owned my first Porsche, and it was a 993 RS Club Sport in red, and it was amazing. It was the first steps in racing for me. I did some track days with the car and fell in love with all the air-cooled 911s. I was racing from 2005 till 2014, a 964 RSR, an absolute dream car. So I'm in fully love with air-cooled cars. But 8 years ago, I had an idea. It was a project to build a true classic analog sports car. And a friend of mine asked me if I want to test his 996, because I did a lot of development for suspension for different brands and everything. And then he hit me up with the car, and it was like a wow effect. It's so analog, it's so pure. I said, I have to put a suspension in and just try how it could feel. The 996 has so many talents. I drove for the first time in December an Öhlins suspension with semi-slick tires. It was 0 degrees, so not the perfect temperature to test a suspension, but it was amazing. It was like so precise. It was such a great handling of the car, and it was the start of the project Werk96. It's going now for 8 years. And I think all the enthusiasts out there who love analog manual cars will love the 996, or particularly maybe the Werk96, because we redefined every aspect technically and emotionally for the car. And for me personally, I never ever need another sports car, only the 996, with our modifications for sure. To sum it up, it was a beautiful journey. It was very intense. So many great, passionate people and specialists who did this great, amazing job together with us. And we are really proud that this car will be seen on the streets in Germany or international or everywhere, because we have one great video with Chassis 001. Our great videographer, Stefan Merkle of Soul Drives, who was in every bit of this whole process with me and with all the specialists. He will drive Chassis 001 once again in the Black Forest. Don't miss it.